Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to combine pictures side by side in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to combine pictures side by side. Go to the page. Then insert multiple picture. Go to the tools section and select the place tool. Then choose picture from our file. Now I am select multiple picture. Press Ctrl on our keyboard to select the multiple picture. Then click open and wait some moment to load the picture. Now we can see here show the all places images. Now we place one by one. Now we can see we insert some picture very easily. Now we want to combine this multiple picture or object. Firstly select the multiple picture, go to the window menu and enable the layer section. We can see already enable this. Then we go to the layer option and select the first image, then press shift on our keyboard and select the last image, and we can see here select the all images, then click right button on our mouse and make it group. Otherwise you can use the keyboard shortcut key, press Ctrl G on our keyboard. Now we can see we combine the all image very easily. You can resize the image at once. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.